How to make downloading animation in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Fusion page. Here I downloaded a PNG image, and bring it into composition, and connect it to the media out. Add a background node and connect its output to output of media in to merge them. Select the background and choose another color. Select media in node and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Click anywhere empty and press Ctrl+V to paste it, and connect it to background. Add a rectangle mask and connect it to the duplicate media in node. Adjust the size of the rectangle mask, so the entire image is white. Increase center Y value until the image is black. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to center to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead 30 frames forward and decrease center Y value until the mask goes below the image. This will create the second keyframe. Now we have this animation. Open up Spline panel and check the rectangle checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Click on this button to repeat the animation for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to the edit page and use it. You can select the composition and in the inspector adjust its size and position.